morning, students. We have started chapter 3 decimal and completed exercise 3.1 and 3 questions of exercise 3 done already we have done. So today we are going to start question 4. Very simple. Decimal multiplication we have already done. Now we are going to start problem sums of the same exercise. So fourth question, find the area of square whose side 5.8 centimeter. So we have to find the area side of square. It's given side of square. It is given 5.8 centimeters. Area we have to find. Area of square, side into side. This is area. Side is given 5.8 centimeter and again 5.8 centimeter. So 5.8 multiply 5.8, it will be 3364 centimeter square. Now we have two decimal places, 1 and 2. So 1, 2, there should be decimal before two digits. So 33.64, this is the area of this square. Next, question number 5. The question is 1 kg of sugar cost rupees 25.30 and find the cost of 13.5 kg of sugar. It's simple. The cost of 1 kg sugar is given. So we have to find the cost of 13.5. If 1 kg, one value is given, we have to find more value. So already we have done in previous chapters, we have to multiply. If more value is given, we have to find one value, each value. Then we have to divide. But in this question, each value is given. The value of 1 kg of sugar is given. We have to find the cost of 13.5 kg of sugar. So simple, the cost of 1 kg of sugar, that is rupees 25.30. Find the cost of by writing the statement, take care of these things. We have to find the cost. Cost should be in rupees. That's why we have taken rupees at right side. And kg is repeated. So kg under kg will use kg. The cost of 13.5 kg of sugar. It will be more value. So 25 rupees 25.3 multiplied 13.5. So we'll multiply this 25 30 multiply with 135. 5 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 25, 6 2 10 and 2 12. 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 1 6 and 7. 0 3 5 2. Now add them. 0 5 5 1 4 3 3 4 1 5 5 0 rupees. Now count the digits in decimal part. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 decimal should be before 3 digits, but in pies we should have only 2 digits, and rather ending 0 we can leave. So rupees 3 41.55. This is the answer. So do these questions in the notebook. Next, question number 6. If 1 meter of cloth costs rupees 158.50, and what is the cost of 4.5 meter of cloth? Very simple, same as previous question. 1 meter cloth of cost is given, and we have to find the cost of 4.5 meter of cloth. So 1 meter is given, we have to find more value. For more value, we have to multiply. So you can do it yourself. Next, again question number 7. If the cost of a book is rupees 29.75, and find the cost of 32 such books. Same question. Cost of one book is given, and we have to find the cost of 32 books. So simple multiplication you can do. Then question number 8. Question. Again we have to find the area of rectangle. So length of rectangle, it is given 18.60 meters, and breadth of rectangle 7.05 meter. So we have to find area of rectangle. In previous question we have found the area of square. For area of square, side into side, then area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length and breadth already we have, so 18.60 meter multiply 7.05 meters. So 18.60 multiply 7.05. So we have to multiply it 705. 0 0 30 43 4 9 0 0 0 0 7 42 66 13 0 3 1 1 3 1. So it will be 13 1 3 0 0. Now we have to count decimal places. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 13.1300. But in decimal places ending 0 we can leave. So 13.13 meter square. This is the area of rectangle. Next, question number 9. Ninth question, find the product. First part, 1.2 multiply 1.2 multiply 0.012. So simple multiplication first we'll do. 12 12s are 144, and 144 12s are 144 12s are 12 4s are 48, 4 48 and 4 52 5. It will be 1728. Now we have to count decimal places. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits should be in decimal part, but we have only 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. So add 0 in front of these digits, then we'll use decimal. So if we have in product multiplier, total digits we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits should be in the product. So if the number is less than 5, we'll add zeros in front of the product. So answer will be 0.01728. So second part of the same question, 3.2 multiply 1.5 multiply 2.5. So again multiply 32 multiply 15 first, 32 and 15, 15 twos are 30, 3, 45 and 48, then multiply with 25, 0, 25 8s are 200, 0, 20 and 25 4s are 100 and 120. So 20,000, we'll take first this number. Now decimal places are 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places we have. So we'll use 0, 1, 2, 3 here. So after decimal ending 0 we can leave. So we have the answer only 12. So next two parts same as this question. So complete this exercise first. You will do yourself last two parts of the same question. Complete this exercise. Complete your notebook. And some students have completed and sent me their notebooks. So many students are still left. So complete your notebooks, make a PDF and send it to me. Thank you and have a nice day.